my name is Bhoomi from non-academic, and I just wanted to share, when I first started non-academic, I was very lost and confused. I didn't know how non-academic was organized, and I didn't know where I should begin or start in non-academic. So I thought some other people might go through the same little struggle. So I decided I'd make this onboarding kit video for the people who are new to non-academic and want to join non-academic. So let's begin, because I'm so excited to get started. Well, non-academic offers various programs, projects, approaches, and so on. In the programs, there is a creative identification program, curiosity catalyst, and the forward thinking framework. In the creative identification program, we relate ourselves with a word or an object. In the curiosity catalyst, non-academic gives us a question and we have to answer it. For example, on Christmas we got, why do we say Merry Christmas instead of Happy Christmas to greet or wish someone? On Valentine's Day, we got, why do we offer rings, diamonds, chocolates, roses, and etc. to represent love? And in the forward-thinking framework, it helps you with your perspective building workshop, which helps you with your unique thoughts, so you can find your unique thought and put them in the thought tower. Now, you might be wondering what a unique thought is. Well, a unique thought is a problem that you find in your day-to-day surroundings and you want to solve it. So you come up with a solution for your problem. In parallel to this, we have the projects. The projects are categorized into different groups based on pedigree skills. For example, there's the Thinker Project, Generalizer Project, Igniter Project, and etc. Under these projects, there are themes like inventions and innovations, inaccuracies, paradoxes, lesser-known professions, and more. Our lead will be choosing the themes, and then we have to get completely immersed into the theme so we can move on to our next theme, which our lead will be choosing too. But wait a minute. How do we get completely immersed into the theme again? Well, there's 3 steps. Number 1 is that to do complete research about the theme. Number 2 is that to have a deep dive about the theme and learn more about the theme. And number 3 is that to make a video about the theme by giving a real world example. And apart from these things, we also have recommended approaches for you to work on. This is the building on foundation. The building on foundation suggests and recommends you to take your parental advice so you can use that for your future plans. Well, for example, if I want to start my own company based on agriculture, I should prefer asking my parents and grandparents because they know more background knowledge on agriculture than me. And also, we have the feedback section, where one participant reviews another participant's video and gives their feedback in video form. And additionally, we have the passive learning section, where non-academic participants' siblings influenced by non-academic and their learning. And above said, all the projects, approaches, programs, and everything else are available in video form in our YouTube channel called Non-Academic, and feel free to check that out. And hopefully this video was very useful for you and you can use this video. And since this is the end of the video, I just wanted to inform you that we have an FAQ section in our website, and feel free to check that out. We'd love to answer any questions you would like to ask. Again, hope this video was very useful for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and bye!